In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Jira backlog clean and manageable. A messy backlog can quickly make it harder to focus, plan sprints, and understand what actually matters. The goal here is to keep your backlog useful, current, and easy for your team to work with. The first thing to do is review your backlog regularly. Open your Jira project, then go to Backlog from the left sidebar. Once you're there, take time to scan through old issues, unused tasks, and anything that no longer seems relevant. This works best when it becomes a habit, so schedule a weekly or monthly backlog cleanup depending on how active your project is. As you review, start removing outdated issues. Look for tasks that are no longer needed or no longer reflect current priorities. Open the issue, click More Actions, shown by the three dots in it, and decide what makes sense. If the work was already done, close the issue. If the issue is unnecessary and you have permission, delete it. This helps reduce clutter and prevents outdated tasks from confusing the team. Next, prioritize the important work. In the backlog, drag and drop issues to rank them. Move high-value tasks toward the top so they're easier to see during planning. Push lower priority items further down. A backlog should reflect what deserves attention first, not just everything that has ever been created. For each important issue, update the details so it's actually ready to be worked on. Check that the summary is clear, the description is useful, and the priority is correct. Make sure there is an assigned owner when appropriate, add a due date if needed, and confirm that labels and components are accurate. Clean details reduce misunderstandings and save time later. If you notice issues that are too large to finish in one sprint, split them into smaller pieces. Open the issue, click. Create subtask, and break the work into smaller, manageable steps. This makes estimation easier and helps the team make steady progress. You should also remove duplicate issues. Use Jira Search to look for similar tasks. If you find duplicates, open the duplicate issue, go to More Actions, choose Link, and mark it as a duplicate of the main issue. This keeps work from being tracked in multiple places. To keep the active backlog focused, archive completed work properly. Move finished issues to the correct completed status, and if your project uses archiving tools for older projects, use those as well. The main idea is to keep current work visible and old work out of the way. Finally, use filters to manage your backlog more efficiently. Go to Issues, then search for issues and create helpful views like unassigned issues, old unresolved tasks, and high priority items. Review these filtered lists regularly so cleanup becomes faster and more consistent. With a simple routine like this, your Jira backlog stays organized, actionable, itchable, and much easier to manage.